The bicycle that you got for Christmas? Wow, no, Ben, no. The whole thing. Over here, come on.
Did you get a picture of her?
Yeah, I did, but this wasn't working for some reason.
Wait, maybe it's inside.
Mia, here, look.
Maybe the batteries are inside.
Look at your feet. Put your feet on the pedals, and you pedal.
Oh, wow!
Does anyone have a screwdriver? Because maybe the batteries are inside here. I don't know how to turn it on.
All right, Mia. You ready?
Oh, she's doing it.
Good girl.
Look at Mama. Look at Mommy.
See? You're doing it.
What's that one? What's that one?
Yeah. Open.
Get up. Get up from the bicycle. Oops.
Okay. You okay?
Are you
Come on.
okay, Mia?
Okay. There you go. Mia, open.
Can you help me with this?
Yeah, Jason will help you.
Rip it. Oh, get me.
No, I mean I can't take this off.
Jason, give it to Jason.
What are you thinking?
Can you take these things off from the bottom?
What, these things?
Yeah.
Wow. What's that? It's mine. Look at Mommy. Say cheese. Mia, say cheese.
It's a coat! It's a coat! It's a lie! Okay, that's a little scary.
Open, Mia.
You have to set the alarm.
Mia, right here.
Oh, this thing's cool.
Get this.
Wow.
How did it just turn on?
I really wanted a picture with her, but you wouldn't take it.
Who did?
I did.
Okay. I was fixing her helmet.
Now my camera's about to die.
You want a picture?
Well, no, she's not good. I don't have any pictures because you're always here.